King cobras, the world's longest venomous snakes, can reach lengths of up to 18 feet, known as Ophiophagus hana. Their venom can take down an elephant but is rarely fatal to humans. King cobras are skilled climbers and can move swiftly through trees, showcasing remarkable agility. These majestic serpents are capable of raising about a third of their bodies off the ground. The iconic hood of a king cobra is used for threat displays and to appear larger to potential predators. King cobras are unique among snakes in building nests for their eggs and fiercely guarding them. Despite their fearsome reputation, king cobras are generally shy and prefer to avoid human encounters. Their diet primarily consists of other snakes, including venomous ones, making them crucial for ecosystem balance. King cobras have a specialized diet and can go months without eating after a substantial meal. These snakes possess excellent eyesight and can detect movement up to 300 feet away. King cobras are revered in some cultures and are associated with deities in Hindu mythology. The venom of a king cobra contains neurotoxins that can quickly paralyze the nervous system of its prey.